how to set up dual SIMs always on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. After that, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on connections. After that, tap on SIM manager. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on more SIM settings. Now at the top, tap on dual SIM always on. At the top here, set the correct phone number for the first SIM, and for the eSIM, make sure you also set the correct phone number for your eSIM, and then tap on next. In here, you can choose how to forward your calls if the SIM are not available. So here's a forward calls to any available SIM, or only forward calls from physical one to eSIM data, or only forward calls from eSIM to my physical SIM. So select one of the options and then tap on done. And now it will update the settings. So what is the dual SIM always on feature? It is available on some newer Samsung Galaxy phones, especially the S23 series and possibly newer like the 24 and other newer phone. It is designed to keep both of your SIM cards active simultaneously. This means you can receive calls and texts on both numbers without having to manually switch between them. Enjoy a more seamless experience if you use separate lines for work and personal calls, or have a local SIM when traveling. So here is how it works. For traditional dual SIM, normally with a dual SIM phone, only one SIM card is active at a time. If you're on a call with one SIM, the other one becomes unreachable. Dual SIMs always on. This feature utilizes two separate radio modules within the phone, allowing it to listen for signals from both networks concurrently. And for call management, dual SIM always on often works in conjunction with functionalities like call waiting and call forwarding. This ensures you don't miss calls even when using one SIM. For example, if you're on a call with SIM 1 and someone calls on SIM 2, call waiting might alert you, or the call from SIM 2 might be forwarded to SIM 1 depending on the settings that you have set previously. So that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.